Welcome to another exciting episode of Awesome Stuff Badly with me, Uncle Dr. Ernie. We've had a long week and we're in the home stretch here. We've been spending the last few days retooling our infrastructure, adding automated builds and testing, and redoing our core objects in order to get our little Rohan teenage robot turtles working again. So, what we did last day in our pair programming session with Miss Whitney, let me make this a little larger here for you, is we had started working on having children. And as I mentioned before, your world gets really complicated once you start dealing with children, especially when you have to fight over an inheritance. So what we're going to do is actually create a bunch of objects and check and make sure that inheritance is working. Now, for those of you who've been following along at home, inheritance basically says that the reason these are scoped dictionaries or cascading dictionaries, or cascading property lists more formally, is that if we find the value, then we go up there. Now, this seems to be redundant. I'm thinking that I want to see what the rules are for JavaScript, or because I want to use that in a couple of different places here. Or operator. A or B. And the CoffeeScript or. Is there an or here? So that looks like it's doing one. Either that value exists or it sets it. JavaScript. JavaScript. Can someone define it? Or is it an operator? Is it an or statement? There's got to be a CoffeeScript or in there somewhere. Well, let's try it and see if it works. Right. Actually, we did try it, didn't we? It seems like it works. So even though I cannot find any documentation on this keyword, it appears to be part of CoffeeScript and effectively do what I want it to do. Okay. Use or operator. Oops, we're back in master here. We need to go back to the world. Okay, we're back here on the world. Yes. Okie dokie, artichoke. Where are we now? Okay, we want to make tests, make sure that. So let me actually go and add some more relationships. Interestingly, when we do add child, we don't actually get anything back. That would be kind of useful, wouldn't it? To know what it is that we're creating. Because we are not necessarily doing a trivial value, we're actually doing something where we're creating the world there. So we can do it this way then. grandma equals where old add child permission. And mom equals grandma add child Cynthia. And daughter equals mom add child Anjali. And t.ok, daughter. And then okay, that works fair. Great. Commit that spawn grandchildren. One of the reasons I am doing a startup with my 6-year-old son is that he can get a job and get married and have children earlier than I did, so that I don't have to wait till I'm 80 to have grandchildren of my own. Okay, so that looks good there. Now let's actually make sure it's let's just see. Okay. Boom, da boom. Now we want to do let's see. Oh, daughter get food. What does she get from me? Chocolate. That's what she wants. Chocolate. Let's see, is it? Let's see. Tape. JavaScript. Oh. Okay, here we go. T-plan. Test. Name, block, plan, end, fail, pass, skip, okay, not okay. Equal, not equal, deep equal, not deep equal, deep loose equal. Throws, not throw, subtest, harness. Only, think about that one. Streams, let's worry about that later. Okay. Okay, now to get chocolate. Yes. And then we want to give mommy chocolate. We'll give grandma chocolate first. Chocolate, comma, dark. It's going to fail. Then we make equal. Dark. Inherit chocolate. That's where we wants. Chocolate. Give chocolate. Inherit chocolate. Oh, looks like it works. Yay! Let's commit it. Okie dokie, artichoke. Now, where are we? We've gotten those things here. We're inheriting dynamic properties. So the hierarchy is the public interface is get. There's sort of an SPI of get raw, where we implement the inheritance, and then a get local, where we just do the simple get on the document. And the reason we have this is we want to have dynamic properties. So has dynamic properties. So what does that mean? That means we want to be able to add a method and have it do something fun. So put fun our t-end here. It's a proper error message. Excellent. Oh, we don't even need this. This is not doing anything. Okay. Right. Let's go and save that now. Check our time here. Awesome, 11 minutes in, we're on a roll. So that's going to be a function that returns wanna, because girls just want to have fun. And hopefully girls will want to have functions when we teach them how to program. World.get fun equal fun. Value here. Please always put a space in there. That's weird. And then that's no fun because it actually passes on the first try. Let's see, make this fail. Yes. And we want this there should be a function, yes. Boom shaboom. Yes, git commit -am, validate dynamic properties, and get raw is the thing. And then the last thing is call. Nope, there's a reset. Oh, we have two binds. Get rid of that bind. Do we have a label? We don't have a label. We should test our string here. Let's do this right. Let's actually write our test before we enable the code. It's probably going to be broken anyway. Sorry about that. Syntax errors freak out the system. Ooh. And we passing, yay. Okay, now what we're going to do is, let's start from here. Comment out untested methods. And then we start with, let's just start with our string. Nope, let's start by testing our string. All right, our friend Andrew Williams is on board. Let's see if we can find him here. And am I logged in here? Yes. page here. Let's see, how do we add myself as a friend? That might just be more confusing. Do I have him here? Search my email. There we go. So that was weird. This is our friend Andrew Williams. Let's try and text him here and then send an invite. Hey, Andrew.
Hey.
Welcome. You're live on Twitch TV.
Oh, okay, great.
And I will go ahead and share my screen here. It seems like we're able to actually share it simultaneously on Google Hangout and on Twitch. So you probably should see a giant picture of your wrist.
Not yet. I just see you.
Okay.
I see me in the corner.
You should be seeing I'm sharing my desktop. You seeing it yet?
No, I'm using the Google Hangouts on the iPad, so I don't know if that's...
I mean, but I should be broadcasting my screen rather than my face. So what are you seeing? Are you seeing me real, or are you just seeing an icon of me?
I'm seeing your icon.
So you're not seeing it. The other option is you could just follow along on the Twitch feed, although it's a bit... a bit of latency.
I can log on my laptop. I was just hoping that...
I was hoping this would work too. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's not sharing my desktop with you. Could be that there's something, I don't know if there's something with the iPad version. You're not seeing anything at all?
Let's see, I thought you texted me something, but now everything went away. Hold on.
Let's try this. Seeing any?
Yeah, now let's see.
So I'm stopping my screen sharing so to see if you can get video from me. I don't know if it's a bandwidth issue or a device issue or what. Are you sticking your hand in front of the camera for some reason?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to. I got your text. Okay, and I'm just trying to move it out the way.
Okay.
I don't even see a video of you. I just see.
Okay, so I don't know if that's a bandwidth limitation or an app limitation.
It could be. I'm at a Starbucks.
Yeah. So, did you try clicking on the Twitch TV feed? The link I sent you, did you try clicking on that to see if that gives you any better?
Okay, I'm just gonna put that on my laptop.
Okay.
My laptop here too.
Cool.
I was trying to do both so I could do some coding while you did it.
Yeah.
Let's see, it looks like it's saying my flash is out of date.
Joy.
So I'll download my flash.
All right.
Okay, you can keep on going.
All right. I'll just keep going and you can follow along. So anyway, currently I've been, the last 3 days after crashing and burning on Wednesday, I've been trying to build up a test suite to actually check that my code is doing what I think it's doing. And so I've been busy working on my world object. So the way it works is that we have these worlds which have properties and can inherit from it. And this allows me to basically describe my application using a dictionary in a series of nested dictionaries, which is an interesting way to program, but more importantly, when it's all in a nice declarative dictionary, I can expose that functionality up into the turtle environment on top. So let's see where we are here. I crashed my server. Let's see. Okay, so we're running our tests in the browser, and they're passing nicely. And I need to write some more tests for the last few pieces of functionality. Test that world has a label. Let's see. My test suite here, and then t dot okay world and crashed my integration server. Let's try that again. Awesome. Wait, that's not good. It should not be passing. Oops, that's still okay. All right. Why is that not actually testing anything meaningful? Oh, okay, because it's crashing. And that means my roll my coffee is pressing over here. Let's uncomment this if that's causing the problems. Okay, now we're building. We're gulping. And let's see our... Okay, we got a fail. Awesome. Is it the right fail? Yes. Oh, undefined. That's interesting. Oh, right, because that's unimplemented. Awesome. We're getting a valid failure here.
So did you just type gulp main?
Yes. Actually, about 5 seconds ago, 10 seconds ago.
What are you doing right now?
What I'm doing right now is I'm editing the file world.coffee in TextMate.
Okay, I just see you. I'm trying to see if there's a lag.
Yeah, there's probably, I think there's like a 10 or 30-second lag.
Okay, so I'm listening to you on my iPad. I'm watching you on my laptop.
Yeah.
It's kind of a waste of space, but I don't want to interrupt you. I'll just keep doing this.
All right. And then, actually, let's just go and put that back at the bottom here. So, and I actually want to get the label at the end. Get label. Save that. Get a fail, but that's probably a better fail. World root, which is actually what it's supposed to be. And I could test more labels, but I don't really care that much. Let's save that. Oops, did I lose you there, Andrew? Looks like it. Sorry about that, old chum. So I think we're running low on time. We got 5 minutes left. Let's see if I can finish off the world here. Test. Awesome. Let's just move that down to the end since that was where we were doing it anyway. Then we also want to test. What do we want to test? We want to test that we can call a function. Yes. So let's take our version of fun here. Yes. Who's watching us on Twitch TV? I don't know if I can watch it. Just let him know. I guess we used my chat app as the back channel. No. Yep, he's having connectivity problems at Starbucks, unfortunately. Bummer. Okay, so we have a function that takes arguments. And what should our world arguments look like? Let's look at what we were doing over in our, yes. This is actually a good thing to be testing. Okay. All right, so this function should take, what should it do? We want to be able to check that it takes label equals world dot get. No. Let's give it a name. Let's actually configure this. So world.put. These are instance, comma, variable, and then args should be a, what is args? Args should just be a dictionary, right? Is equals key, comma, value. It should be, so to return array of .get instance and args.get key, and then result equals call fun with args, and then equals result 0 school.root. And then should be our args parameter. Oh, interesting. It's just giving us wackiness, which is fine. Now we'll fix this by doing world.put fun. Okay, we are, coming up with wanna because, yes, okay, time's up for this session, and world already has something under fun. That's why we're getting weirdness there. Okay, let's rename this. And And it's broken here. Let's just go ahead and still crashing. Let's try this one last time. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. All right, we're returning something, and it's just, oh, it's just the wrong, right. This should be variable, and this should be value, and boom! Yay! That -am handle call correctly, and put this over here, and we're good. All right, that's it for today, at least for this session. Thanks for watching. Come back for the exciting conclusion as we actually finish up testing our world object and start using it. See you later.